Hey, the Bears here, and today we're at
Thorpe Park.
back for some intense rides. Hopefully it's going to be a better time than last time.
Yeah.
Yep, it's a nice sunny day, so let's go. Whoop, whoop. And we're in, Hev. Not today, thank you. Oh wow, so that's where we had our breakfast, wasn't it, this morning?
Vibes, kitchen and bar.
Stopped in the shark cabins, didn't we?
Yeah.
Check that video out.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's really good, isn't it? The island shop, we haven't been in there, have we?
No, we haven't.
So we'll have to go in there. You know what that means, don't you?
Yeah.
It's a mini one. Right, so where are we going to first?
South.
We are going to Stealth,
Yeah.
by the look of it.
Jake's not overly confident with that.
No, if it rolls back, guys, I'm going to cry.
Let's hope it does.
Let's hope it doesn't. I think we're going down to Stealth first, aren't we?
We are.
We are, and we're joined here today by Lee. Hi, Lee. Thanks for joining us and showing us around the parks. We haven't got a clue, have we?
No.
So yeah, hopefully we're going to get some assistance on where to go, because we just tried to go the wrong way straight away.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's good fun. Yeah, Stealth. Let's go. Right, so we're just going on for Stealth.
Yeah.
And we've got a little surprise, haven't we?
Yeah, we do.
We've got a couple of
Two
extra.
unlimited fast tracks to give
Yeah.
away.
So Hev's going to choose someone,
Yeah.
and let's give them to them.
Yeah.
Let's go. So there we go. Well.
Yay, so we've got these two people. What are your names?
Hi, Alex.
I'm me.
And yeah, so enjoy your day, guys. No problem. Oh, it's been their day, haven't we? Yeah. And yeah, I'm getting so scared for this ride. I am.
You'll be fine. I'll hold your hand.
I need more than my hand holding. Just been waiting a few minutes there, and it doesn't look like it's hitting me straight away, does it?
No, it's testing.
So we're just going to see what else says.
Yeah.
And jump on something else.
Labyrinth Rapids.
Yeah, because we got these all day, haven't we? Have?
Yay.
Yay! So as, if you've not seen our shark cabins vlog,
Yeah.
then if you do stop on a day where the park has closed the day before,
Yeah.
you get unlimited fast track for the next day.
Yeah, you do.
Brilliant, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's fantastic.
And it's more expensive to get the fast track than it is the cabins, isn't
Yeah,
it? So it
it
makes
is.
it worth it, doesn't it?
Yeah, and you get breakfast.
And you get it's a nice breakfast.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's go get some rides then.
Yay.
Third time lucky, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna try Swarm. The rapids don't look to be open. Oh, it's going well. It's going well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll go on some rides. We've
are.
got all day though, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah. So let's go. We're going in now.
Yeah.
First ride of the day, eh?
Yeah.
Swarm.
Woo-hoo.
I'm actually quite excited, but I'm a bit nervous at the same time.
You'll be fine.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's go. Woo -woo.
Oh, that was so good.
That was really good, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was.
You were a little bit worried it's going to be quite tight like air, weren't you?
Yeah, but it was alright.
No, it was really good, wasn't it?
To be fair.
Absolutely, that was amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
enjoyed that.
Top ride at Thorpe Park for me so far.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah, really
Yeah,
good.
really
Way better
good.
than I thought it was gonna
Really
be.
good. Oh, what? Yes, took my breath away. Very smooth. Yeah, but I think it's Stealth's open now.
Yeah.
So we're going to try that scary one that goes fast. Take me back to Rita. So you're going on Stealth, Hev?
Yay.
Oh dear. Look at that, guys. That is scary. And it's not going to be the tallest coaster in the park soon enough, is it? Little exodus over somewhere.
Yeah.
That way, maybe. I'm sure we'll find out next year, won't we? Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yay, I've been waiting for this for ages.
Let's go. You like that, didn't you?
Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah. I honestly don't know, guys. I didn't not like it.
That's good.
It was very fast and like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be going on it again. It's still scary. I'm scared now. Oh, it is a good ride though.
Yeah.
Did enjoy it overall. Yeah?
Yeah.
I did it! Yay! Right, not sure what we're going to do. Go for a wander and try and get my heart rate down a little bit.
You will get wet.
Will you though?
Yeah.
Will you? We'll find out.
There we go. That's how soaked Jake is.
Yeah.
All on his back.
I'm the only one who got splashed properly.
Yeah, within the first 2 minutes of being on.
Yeah. But at least it's going to be a warm day.
It is.
Oh, just come off the rapids there.
Yeah, they were really good.
As you saw, I got a little bit wet, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the first splash. Yeah, they were good. They've turned the water up. It seems to be a bit fat. Well, they look fast anyway,
Yeah,
don't
they looked really quick.
Yeah.
They were really quick. They were really good.
Yeah, and we haven't been on the Congo Rapids this year, have we, at
No,
Towers?
not yet.
But from our past experience, that was better.
Yeah, I
Definitely,
agree.
yeah. Right, I think we need a wander now, don't we?
Yeah.
And hopefully the sun comes out.
Woo!
Oh, look, Ev, it's that inferior shop again.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that.
It does. Here we go, guys. We all know what's going on behind there.
Oh, Project
Exodus?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's not really going to be anything to see as the building site. Yeah. Well, it'll be good to see next year, won't it?
Yeah.
And it's going to be really tall.
Really tall. It's a hyper coaster.
It's a hypercoat. We've been on one of them, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just one.
Just one.
Yeah.
Well, you've been on two.
Me?
Yeah, big one's a hypercoaster.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. It's
You've been on two?
bigger than 200 feet, isn't it?
Yeah. Well done, Ev.
Yay!
Oh, just come off Saw there. We survived the game, didn't we?
We did.
Yes. Might have
Brilliant.
to get inducted into Saw 2 soon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good ride though.
It is.
Riding well. You can see some of Exodus's flat land.
Yeah.
There's nothing there yet, guys, but there will be soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good ride. Did you enjoy it, Ev?
Yeah, and I really like the theming on it. It's really cool.
Yeah, it tastes good, isn't it? Yeah. Right, off for another casual wander around the park.
Isn't it weird that they support just here?
I know, yeah. Just walking through the ride area.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going on Rush, Ev? It's a bit loud, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I just come off Vortex.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really good.
Really good.
It's a bit like Maelstrom.
Yeah.
But I think that's better, to be honest.
Yeah, you get airtime too.
Yeah,
which is
really good. I'm a little bit dizzy off that, to be honest, actually. Yeah, really good. We know what it's time for, guys. We'll see you there. Coffee time. We're going to Inferior then, Ev, eh?
Yeah.
It says closed, but there is literally people on the ride, isn't there? So, not too sure what's going on there.
Just
We'll
it's updated, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Are you 1.4?
Yeah.
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 You sure? It's alright
Think
then. Sit back, relax,
It's not fright time.
feel the heat. Nemesis Inferior. Oh, so we just come off Inferior?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. So it's, I felt it was better than the first time we went on it before.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Running quite nicely.
Yeah, had a little tiny
going on
roar.
Yeah, a little growl.
Yeah.
Wasn't it? Not quite a roar.
No.
But it's the best we've got, isn't it, until
Yeah.
next year?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we still haven't seen the new track yet, have we?
No.
No, you're not. We'll be back at Towers soon enough.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Storm Surge. Just come off Storm Surge there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's feet are absolutely soaked.
Yeah, squelching.
Yeah. Mine stayed dry because I held them up, and then everywhere else got wet. My behind. Both of us. Yeah, it was a good ride though. Enjoyed it.
It was.
It's like a water park ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, this seemed really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I'm not too sure what we're going to do next, to be honest. Try and get on as much as we possibly can, because we didn't really get on much last time. It's definitely working, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had a much better day so far, haven't we?
Brilliant.
Yeah. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon! I really want one.
Pika-pee.
I want the Gengar, but I quite like the Skull Bunny as well. I picked Skull Bunny and Gen 8 on Sword, didn't I?
You did?
Yeah. You haven't played it yet, have you, I don't think?
No, not yet.
What would you pick, Ev? Skull Bunny, Sobble, or what's the grass one? Sorry guys.
Is it the monkey?
Grookey, yeah.
Yeah.
Grookey Gang, you're Grookey Gang, aren't you? Yeah. I quite like Grookey as well, to be fair. But I picked Skull Bunny because he's a soccer pro. Oh, we're good in this one, aren't we?
Yeah.
Fast track.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if we'll see, well, we won't see Rick, but hopefully we'll survive a zombie attack.
Hopefully.
We know all about zombies anyway, don't we? Because we've seen the TV show.
Yeah.
Well, most of it anyway. Spoiler alert, guys. Click away now if you haven't seen Walking Dead. We've seen up to where Carl dies.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we got to.
We did.
We don't know anymore.
Nope.
No, we're going to watch it though, aren't we, at some point?
We are.
Eventually.
Eventually.
It's on the list.
It is.
Oh, we survived.
Yes.
We got through the safe zone.
Yeah.
I really like that ride.
I do as well. It's really good.
The ride itself's very smooth. There's not much to it, is there? But it's the whole experience.
It is. It's
Yeah.
really good. From the moment you go in to the moment you come out, there's theming everywhere. So yeah, really
Absolutely
good.
everywhere. Just before you get on the ride, guys, there's like a statue mannequin thing with a zombie face on. Is that a Whisperer? Let us know in the comments, guys. Is that a Whisperer? Might be, might be. But yeah, want to see more of that in the UK parks. The whole package, not just the ride.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Love it. It's the Bears Escape packed lunch. So, a bit of Black Mirror, Ev.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't get lost.
Hopefully not.
But you never know.
Do you reckon we'll get to choose our own ending?
Not in this
Like
one.
Bandersnatcher. You never know. Registration. Doing it now.
Oh, yes.
Ooh.
So you have to step forward when called.
Yep, we do. Just wait here.
Yeah.
Oh, so we made it through the labyrinth, didn't
Yeah,
we?
we did. We
We survived. We've got our minds still.
Yeah.
We've not been deleted.
No.
No, sound like Cybermen they do, don't
Yeah,
they?
they do.
Yeah, but it's alright. It's a little attraction, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit disorientating. I can see why people get lost.
Yeah. It'd be good if they ramped it up 4th right now.
Yeah.
I don't know if they do or not. But yeah, it's pretty good.
Have actors in there scaring people.
Oh, that would be
That'd
good, wouldn't it?
hilarious.
Yeah. No, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah, and look at this, guys. You can get your Cadbury's chocolates. Doesn't look like it's open just yet, but I assume it will do soon.
Cadbury's Chocolate Lodge.
Yeah, you can get them here now with the link to Cadbury's World that Merlin have got.
Yeah.
Yay! See you in a min. Did you enjoy that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was good.
Good? Forceful?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good as the first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Better than Apocalypse?
No.
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 No. Bro, you just come off Detonator, That was good, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was really good.
I didn't go on it. Too scared. Sorry, guys. Too scared for me.
I had a friend this time though.
Yeah, she did. With Lee. But yeah, I think we've done most of the big stuff we wanted to do today.
Yeah.
A lot of the stuff we missed out on last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a really good day, to be honest.
Yeah, it's been fantastic.
Yeah, it is a good park, guys. It's a great park, to be honest. There's loads of things to do. Everything's quite close together.
Yeah, and it's even better when it's sunny.
It's even better when it's sunny. Although it doesn't look it right now, it is really warm.
It is.
It is. Then we're going to do some re-rides now, though. We've got a couple of hours left. Then we're going to go to Swarm again.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the best rides of the day.
I know.
One of.
I am so shocked because usually I would have said Saw, but
Yeah, Swarm was really
won me
good.
over, yeah.
It's our first time on it, though, so let's go try it again.
Yeah.
Yay! What was it, Tef?
The end of the world.
The end of the world.
It's the end of the world as we
No,
know.
no, no. Copyright, don't go. Oh dear, that is scary. You should see my face in that picture, don't you? Oh, it's good though. I think I like it. I'm not sure. It's scary, but that's the whole point, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fast. I like fast. Yeah, it's good. Right, don't know what to do. More re-rides, I suppose. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. So we're gonna have another vlog on the rapids, then? Yeah. Oh, well, stealth. Oh, take my breath away, that does.
I wonder if you're going to pick the wet seat again.
Well, I really hope I'm not the only one that gets wet this time. Going on the Rumba. Whoop, whoop. Lovely little boat ride there, aren't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, it's nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, only a little splash this time.
Yeah, just a couple little splashes. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a step there though. Be careful, guys. Lovely bit of saw there, don't we?
Yeah, we're on
Front row. We had a little pre-show thing on that one, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Where we saw Jigsaw.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I like that one.
Survived.
I
He said
think.
he's going to get us again though.
Oh, so we just come off a Swarm properly there, don't we?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, it was good.
It
Not
was
Swarm,
very
Saw,
good.
sorry. Swarm is where we're going now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one last ride of Swarm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a great day, hasn't it?
It has.
It really has. Well done, Thorpe Park. Heading on to the Swarm Island
Yeah.
for a last ride of Swarm today.
Yeah.
So I think it might be my favourite ride here.
Yeah.
I think it might be.
Can't quite decide.
I do quite like Saw, but that
Yeah.
last ride of Saw was a bit rough. I can see what people are saying about it. But it was fun.
It was really fun, and it's way good on front row.
It whips you around those dips and bends and things, doesn't it?
And it gives you little drops that you don't expect.
Yeah, it's really good to be fair.
Yeah.
Really
It is.
impressed.
That was first Swarm and Saw for me.
Yeah, it's probably the same for me actually. But we're going on to Swarm. You didn't see this often, so Hev's there, I'm here, Lee's over there. We're all riding the end together, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yep, let's go. So you enjoy that, Hev?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. That left side, sorry, left side?
Yeah, left side.
Well, right side as you look at the front of it. Like, as
Yeah.
you're going in.
But if you sat down, it's
The left side, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, that side, guys, that side there. Anyway, it's better anyway.
Yeah.
And we all sat on the end, didn't we?
We did.
Because it's meant to be the best on the end.
Yeah.
And it was.
It was.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
Yay. Amity Beach. We're down at the beach now. Look, the sun is shining, the water's out, the sand's there.
Are you allowed to go in?
I'm guessing once it opens properly, there's deck chairs over there.
Oh,
It smells like chlorine.
it does smell like
To be fair, that'd be really good.
It's a slide.
There's a slide. So this would be really good in summer, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. Wow, guys, so we're finished here at Thorpe Park.
We have.
Yeah, it's been a great day. Thank you again, Lee, for tagging along and showing us around.
Yeah.
It's been brilliant. We'd have got lost so many times without you.
Yeah, we would have.
We would have, wouldn't we? But it's been a great day.
It has.
Really utilised the fast track we got from the shark cabins. Make
Yeah.
sure you check out that video.
Well worth it.
Yeah, but it's been brill, absolutely brill. Really redeemed yourself. Well done, Thorpe Park.
Yeah.
But
And
yeah,
the staff have been fabulous this time, so
you really
yeah.
have. Well done. Well done. You've got your A game on.
Yeah.
If you want to check out some more videos, why don't you catch this one over here?